So for the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in run, click on enter, then we're going to type in services.msc, click on enter again. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service, then we're going to click on R on our keyboard, which will take us to radio management service. We're going to right click on it and then click on restart. Once we do that, we're going to close it out, then we're going to head back into search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes. And then we're going to type in ipconfig /release. Click on enter. Once you do that, now we're going to type ipconfig /renew and click on enter. Once we do that, we're going to do one more, which is ipconfig /flush DNS and click on enter. Once you do all of these commands, restart your computer. Once you do that, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon and then click on settings. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to network and internet. And then we're going to click on flight mode. If you're a Windows 10, it might say airplane mode, but just click on it. And then make sure that this is turned off. If it's already on, then make sure you turn it off. And then click on the Wi-Fi or Ethernet button on the bottom right, and then try to connect to the internet again. Make sure that flight mode is turned off right here.